Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the device name of your JBL Authentics 200. To change the device name, go to JBL One app that you can download on App Store or Google Play Store, and after connecting to your speaker, click on it and then go to Product Settings, and here you can click on Rename My Product and change its name. After changing its name, press on Save, and now you can see that its name has been changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.